Well, I've got the last of 4 wheels on the lathe running behind me. And these are 18-inch diameter spoke wheels that are going to go on a steam speeder that I'm building. They're the most difficult of the whole piece to make. And I'm running at 36 RPM, well, 32 RPM. And this is just the first cut. You can see how far off the casting is. Check back with you when we get a little more progress done. And here's about the 3rd pass. We're taking off a lot of material for our high cut. And again, I'm running at 32 RPM. Okay, now I set it up. There's that clean surface here to 62 RPM. Any faster than that and it won't cut. Okay, now I'm going to start the taper using the compound right here. It's 3 degrees, not much. So I did it flat first and then do the taper. A little bit more on it here. And I'll keep going on that until it's all the way back to the flange. Okay, now here I'm doing the flange, the last part of that. About it for that. Now I'll do the face here, and the axle. The axle I won't drill it, I'll actually use this boring tool. Okay, and then I ground the outside of the flange there with a grinder and a sander to make it really nice. Now I'm boring out the axle hole. Using the power feed. Made the pattern for this on the lathe here. The maximum I can go on this lathe, 18-inch diameter on the outside of the flange. And then had it cast. Another pass on here. Just a final pass on the outside of the hub. And here's the pattern for the hub. There's a two-piece pattern. Take a little bit off to round that off.